Hey, hello guys. So hopefully you guys really love that demo. Okay, so now this is the part where we're gonna put our design together and where we are gonna write the code to actually do the implementation, right? So the design is I have the design. I will show you guys. Please just take time. Let me explain it, and then the code I will give you guys the code in a GitHub. Okay. So the first thing, this is our water level sensor. So it's called water level detection sensor module in your kit. Okay, so this is different from what you have, so this is not correct, right? But this is the only design I could get, right? So yours should have only 3 pins, right? So one should be positive, one should be negative, and one should be S. Okay, so of course the positive, you connect it to the red line, which is a 5 volt. The negative is your ground, and then the S is connected to, okay, so so the S is connected to, let me see, pin A0. Okay, so these are all the connection, but just to mention all the design. So this is the buzzer. So this is the these are the LEDs. So I advise you to use red, green, and yellow for this, right? So the red is when there is flood, the yellow is when there is warning, and the green is when there is no flood, right? Then we have our LCD in here. We have this resistor. I think this is 5k ohms, then this is 220 ohms. All right, so let's go to this. So this should be good for you guys. Then then I will also attach the this PDF to the GitHub, right, so that you can look at it. So the first pin for our LCD, which starts from here, okay, VSS ground, this. Then the third pin here, it says 2.2k. You can use 5k ohms. It's just to set the contrast of the LCD, meaning the light, right, you know, of the LCD. Then you can see all these ones will not be connected. This is not the first time we are connecting our LCD. So the water level sensor is this. Then the LEDs, so the green one is pin 6. Then you know that the short leg will go to the ground, the long leg you put resistor in between. You guys should know all of that by now. So you connect this yellow, you connect the red, then the buzzer, the long leg is connected to pin 9, and the short leg is ground. Okay, so this is the design, and it should be straightforward, but if you have any question, you can come to class and I will show you. Okay, so now the code. So this is the code. So I mean, yeah, again, it's straightforward. You know, if you want to know more about the code, I will advise you to read through the code and all of that. This one, you can change these values if you feel like maybe when you put the water level sensor into maybe like water, and it's giving you alarm when it's not supposed to give you alarm. You know, you can reduce this number or increase it, and this one too. Okay, so these are the numbers you can play with. So we know our setup. We remember the setup runs once. The setup is when we set our pin on the Arduino, maybe to be input or output, right? You can see our buzzer and our LEDs, they are all output, right, or output, right? So yeah, and so that is what we have in there. Then we just read the value from our water level sensor, which is this. So this is what is reading the water level sensor. So this is what is reading. So we have something called analog read, right? So then we read from this pin, and this pin, you can see the pin is pin A0. Hopefully this is, I think that is okay. Yeah, all right. Anyway, so this is the code. Then this is the Arduino, like this is the GitHub link. Oh, I said Arduino. So I will give you this link in the description, so you don't need to type it from here. So this is the code. So you just come in here, you click on this, then you click on this download, then you have it, right? Then this is just a design if you want to look at it, but I don't think that this is not readable. It's the wires everywhere. Then this is the connection. This one is what you probably need, right? Then remember you can make this to be 5k ohms, right? So I think that is that. So everything should work for you guys. It's very straightforward. So the bulk of the work is for you guys to be able to put the design together. All right, so the code is given to you, and then you should when you put everything together, then you should dip your water level sensor in like a bowl of water, dip it, you know, continuously, and you see how it goes from, oh yeah, it save, oh yeah, like warning, then to flood alert. Okay, hopefully this it's very good for you guys. Please let me know if you have any question or something is not working, and I'll be and I would love to help you out. You know, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, share, please comment. Let's have engagement. All right, please. Thank you.